Everyone, this is Venkareddy. I want to explain about 10th class mathematics paper 2 marks analysis. So here in paper 2 total 7 chapters are there. So by order wise you should learn, you will get more marks. First of all, start with statistics, next probability, trigonometry basics and application trigonometry full chapter, and constructions of similar triangles and construction of a tangent and few problems. Find the area of shaded region, and you should learn mensuration all formulas. You will get solutions of problems of 10th chapter. So like this, if you learn, you will get easily more marks in paper 2. So next here important questions 10th class mathematics paper 2. First 4 marks I gave order wise. So which is first priority, those questions I gave. So compulsory in statistics you will get 2 4 marks questions. So one is a graph, one is a problem. So here find mean, 3 methods are there: a direct method, step deviation method, and assumed mean method. So depend on question, you can do any method. Next find mode of the data. So here one type if you do, you will get easy. Next median, 3 types are there: unknown value, next less than, greater than, next normal. They will give class interval and frequency, you will get easy. So types of questions I give. If you do these questions only, you will get more marks. Next probability. First of all, you should learn about basics of probability. Means what about cards, playing cards, how many cards are there, red color, black color. So and what is that formula of probability? Number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. And one die rolled once, how many total outcomes? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Next 2 dice thrown means it will be get 6 square, 6 power n formula, 6 square 36 you will get. 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3, like that. If you write 6 comma 6, you will get 36. So in coin also, if you toss a coin, 2 power n formula, 1 coin means 2 power 1, 2 coin means 2 power 2, 3 coin means 2 power 3, like that. If you write, you will get it. So those basics compulsory. So whatever in textbook problems if you do, you will get easily score in probability. I gave only few sums. Next trigonometry. So many students are suffering about means fear about trigonometry basics. If you know basics, you will get easily. Only little bit means what is ratios, means sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse, cos theta equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So it is very easy. So if you don't know, you cannot do anything. So these ratios and table, what is the tan 30, sin 30, sin 60, the table if you learn, you will score 2 chapters, means 11th chapter and 12th chapter. So I gave few important questions. These questions if you practice, definitely you will score 4 marks questions. And application trigonometry also, if you draw the diagram perfectly, the solution automatically will be correct. First of all, if you read that sentence, each sentence 2 times 3 times, you will get correct diagram. After completion of diagram also, you have to recheck with question. Next one, constructions compulsory, one question will be there. So either 8th chapter or 9th chapter or 14th chapter. 14th chapter graph will be there, ogive curve. So that is very easy. So out of 3 chapters, 2 questions definitely it will come, either internal choice or separate. So construction 8th chapter 2 types are there, 5/4 or 4/5, only 2 types. 5/4 denominator, what is the number is there, that you have to attach with triangle. Means 5/4 how many parts we have to parts, 5 parts, which is a more value, that many parts you have to do, and denominator you have to join with a triangle. I will tell after solutions. I will give solutions also, next ones, and draw the pair of tangents. Pair of tangents, here also 2 types are there. Means 2 radius will be given, means that is a concentric circles. Radius equal to 3, radius equal to 4 means first you have to draw the circle and draw the perpendicular bisector on larger circle. So where they meet at the point, you have to draw another circle, you will join the radius to that point. By the solution you will get. Next another question will be there, when radius will be given and the distance from the center to exterior point. This is also very important question. Okay, orally they will ask 1 mark 2 marks questions also, diagram, draw the diagram like. Next one, mensuration. Mensuration majorly it will come 10.4 or 10.3. Okay, so you have to practice textbook questions, that is enough. Okay, if you know the formulas you will get it easily, otherwise we can't help. Next 1 mark 2 marks questions, generally these questions enough for you, because ungrouped data, mean median mode, what is ogive curve, definitely it will come, mean median or mode. Okay, next 1 mark and 2 marks both will come. Next write the formula for mode, median, compulsory they will ask, explain each and every term. Means suppose mode is there, mode means L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So what is h, what is f1, what is f0, what is L, should write the term. Okay, next probability, generally they will ask you, can be probability of event 7/2 means it is not possible because of that fraction 7/2 equal to 3.5, it is more than 1. Actually what is the definition of probability? Probability of any event equal to more than 0, less than 1. So that's why it is not a probability of event. Like that if you have to write the answers, and general questions I gave already. So these questions you have to practice. In application trigonometry, draw the diagram question, it will come. And next already I told trigonometry basic and complementary angles and tables and general ratios. These questions enough for you. And mensuration form based on the formula LSA, TSA of cone, cylinder. So I gave already important questions. These questions is enough for you. Similar triangles, just what is the BPT theorem, and what is that area of the ratio of the areas of 2 similar triangles equal to ratio of their squares of the corresponding sides. That formula means 8.3 exercise. And sometimes they will ask Pythagoras formula. General questions they will ask. You need not to worry about 8th chapter. Okay. In the 9th chapter they will ask area of the shaded region, and sometimes it will come 2 marks questions or not. Okay. And I will give worksheets also. You have to practice worksheet. Those worksheet is very helpful you. So thank you for watching video.